Hey guys and welcome. Today we're going to be back to building our app. So what we're going to be focusing on is this center value, which is the main value for our app. And so I'm going to try and format that with a text I have, and I'm going to place 800 as a dummy value for right now, which is really small in the preview. So the first thing we're going to do is add a .font, .system, and then we're going to specify the size, the weight, and the design of the text. And this is something that I think will look good stylistically right now, but I do want it to be white. So under that, I'm just going to put a .foreground color, color.white. And this looks pretty good, but you will notice that if instead of 800, we have something like 8 million or a very large value, the text kind of just doubles up, and that doesn't really look that good. And so to fix that, we can do a couple things, which we'll start in the next reel. But right now, just before we finish, I do want to add a .ignoresSafeArea on the radial gradient that we made previously, just so we don't have that white at the top and bottom of the iPhone. Happy coding!